Good coffee, guys. The coffee is really good today. And I got me a little snack to go with it. It's like a little hostess cake. But anyway, all right, let's get into Mullen. First, I want to address this. A share is a share is a share, okay? Don't let anyone make you or try to make you feel bad about how many shares you have, okay? Because people out there would do this. Because they have more shares than you, and they feel like, well, you only put a couple of $100. Well, yeah, you know, I'm not going to drop $8,000 on something that I'm not really sure about, okay? 2,000 shares is enough for me right now. Even though it's cheap, 2,000 shares is enough for me on Robinhood, okay? I have more shares on another platform. I don't keep my eggs all in one basket. But I'm just going to show you this comment here. When I see comments like this, okay, LOL, 1,300 shares, and they're just laughing. They're just laughing. They think it's hilarious because I'm only showing 1,300 shares. So when I see a comment like this, I already know that this person right here is a bag holder. This person right here is holding a lot of shares. And I'm not. I'm not holding as many as you. And you're definitely, most likely, highly likely, you are a bag holder. And just by the comment, you probably held through a lot of reverse splits. Maybe that's your strategy, but that's not my strategy. Okay. When I see a reverse split coming or I know it's happening, I get out the stock and then I buy back in at a lower price and I gain more shares. Okay. I've already made a profit on Mullen a long time ago, and I sold and I took the profit and I put that money somewhere else. 2,000 shares is enough in case if it squeezes to $20, I'm good. If it squeezes to $50, I'm good. If it squeezes to the same price as Tesla stock, I'm good. Will it ever get to a Tesla price? Who knows? No one knows. Will it ever get to a price that's like Chrysler or Ford, like $20, $14, whatever the price of those companies are now? Because I know they normally hang around between 13 and 20. Will Mullen ever get there? It may. It may. It's a possibility it could, okay? Even though they're having hard times right now, Tesla had hard times at the beginning. And look where Tesla's at now. A lot of car companies had hard times at the beginning, and look where they are now. So, if the stock gets to $20 and I have 2,000 shares, I'm totally fine with that, okay? When I see that there's a very good potential for it to really run like that and be up in the hundreds of dollars, then I may invest more. But right now, I'm being cautious. So do not let anyone make you feel bad because you have very little shares. Because that person is not... Okay. Let me know if you need a Blaze Pro. Okay. So... Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so for my coworkers, I'm doing something with his clippers. But anyway, let's go back to what I'm doing. So don't let people make you feel bad about how many stocks you have. Hold on, I gotta let this window out. Okay. Because people will do that. Like they did that with me about when I had so many AMC shares. But I know for a fact that person was a bag holder, and they made comments like, "Oh, you only have this many shares. I'm deep in AMC. I have this many." Well, you know what? You went on YouTube and you followed all these people saying do this and do this and do this and do this, and those same people that tell you hold or they say I'm going down with the ship. Those people are kind of telling you like buy more and don't sell your shares, because it's a strategy. They're doing that because they want people to keep holding and to bring the stock up so they can make more money, and then they will sell. They will sell way before they tell you that they sold, okay? It's just a strategy that people use on YouTube. I never tell anyone to buy it or sell it. Never have. Because I don't want no one telling me what to buy or sell, okay? Now, let's get back to it. Mullen, what's going to happen today? Well, it looks like it's already on the downtrend. I'm already expecting Mullen to go down even further, like to 17. This is just my thought. Between today, maybe tomorrow, or what's today? Tuesday, maybe by Wednesday or Thursday, I'm expecting it to go down to at least 17. It may do it today. It may be take another run off and head down to 17 today. But I do know that there's a part over here that we need to watch out for. If it gets back here, well, it's already at 19. So once we get here, we need to pay attention to this. When it gets to 16, I'm going to buy some more shares. If it drops down to 17, 13, and 14, I'm going to be buying as it's going down, all the way down. And I know if it gets to 10, I'm going to buy a lot, okay? But all this depends on if any news come out about a reverse split and they're saying they're going to do it, then I'm going to scratch this and I'm not going to buy anything until after the reverse split, okay? That's what I do. I'm not going to hold and go down with the ship, okay? I would take a loss a little bit, but that's it. That's it. And I don't care what people say, like, oh, you better hold it and you're not a true whatever. Don't let people make you feel like that, because you're in here to invest and make money. But anyway, so it looked like it's heading down. It's just a price prediction. I'm not a financial advisor and all that stuff, okay? I feel like it's going to head down to at least the high 18s today, okay? At least the high 18s, because it already tested this bottom right here. Really close. Look at that. Really close right over there. It already tested that right there. So there's no doubt in my mind, I feel like it's going to come back down to that low 19 and test it. And if it doesn't hold that, or when the market open up, there's a big dip, it's going to dip below the 18, below the 19 and hit like the high 18s. And it's probably going to linger there for a while. And it's probably going to fight it's probably going to fight to stay above 19. So that's where we're at. But I do see it coming down even more, okay? And as of right now, I did buy back in because I felt like it was trying to run up. But I did sell earlier in the week and I took my profits. But I bought back in 2,000 shares and I'm down like 4.3%, which is not bad. I don't care about that. These shares right here, I don't think I'm going to sell these anymore unless it's a nice run up. I'm not going to sell anymore because 19 cent is good for me. I mean, it's a good price to buy for me to buy any stock at 19 cent unless something happens and it's going to go bankrupt or it's going to get delisted or something. 19 cent, anything under 20 cent, me personally, I'm going to probably buy more. And then definitely when it gets to that 10 cent, if it gets there again, I'm going to buy a whole lot at 10 cent, okay? But like I said, it all depends if a reverse split is going to come, okay? But that's it, guys. Let's keep an eye on it. Come on, Mullen. Come on. A lot of people are depending on Mullen. They need to get it together, because I think this can become a very great, fantastic company. Okay, they just need to get their act together. They got a lot of things, a lot of debt. They just need to get it together. Okay. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.